Ever sent a letter? You write it, seal it, and drop it in the mailbox. Now imagine the internet works the same way, thanks to something called the OSI model. Think of the OSI model like a giant post office, but for your data. There are 7 layers, each one like a different department, making sure your message gets where it needs to go, safe and sound. Let's start at the top, layer 7, the application layer. That's you right now using an app, maybe checking your email, chatting with friends, or browsing the web. This layer is where you actually create your message, type it out, and press send. But what happens after you hit send? That's where things get busy behind the scenes. Layer 6, the presentation layer, is your digital translator and bodyguard. It makes sure your message can be understood by the other side and keeps it safe with encryption. Layer 5, the session layer, is like a meeting coordinator, keeping track of conversations so nothing gets mixed up. Layer 4, the transport layer, chops your message into neat pieces and numbers them, so nothing gets lost or out of order along the way. Layer 3, the network layer, is your GPS, figuring out the best route for your message through the internet's massive web. Layer 2, the data link layer, slaps on barcodes and double checks for errors so your message arrives perfectly. And finally, layer 1, the physical layer. This is where things get real. Your data turns into signals, zipping across wires, fiber optics, or even Wi-Fi waves all the way to the receiver. But here's the cool part. It all comes back to the application layer. Every time you browse a website using HTTP, send an email with SMTP, upload a file through FTP, or look up a web address with DNS, you're starting and ending right at the application layer. This layer acts as the bridge between you and the digital world, translating your actions into something the network can actually send. Let's dive a bit deeper. The application layer isn't just about sending and receiving messages. It's where protocols live, the rules that apps and services follow to talk to each other. Without it, you couldn't search on Google, stream a video, or even send a meme to your friend. It takes your inputs, packages them up, and makes sure the rest of the OSI model can do its job. So next time you send a message, remember, the OSI model's 7 layers are working together like a behind-the-scenes team. But it's the application layer, your direct line to the internet, that makes it all possible.